Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you so much. My name is Lindy Sue, the late bloomer. Thank you for coming by. Please stay in my channel. The only way to do that is by subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you are the first one to know. I am so happy today. You see, I'm dancing. There was music on the background, of course, but I cannot play it here. I was going to attend a graduation photo shoot for my niece. She has done well for herself. We are so proud of her. Education is very important. Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. And hope breeds peace. An uneducated child is like a bird without wings. Let's help children get educated. Thank you so much for watching. You see the moves, the dance moves, non-existent. But education, there's a little bit. So yeah, I make this world a better place. Thank you.